Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to use Messenger on your Android device for beginners. Facebook Messenger is a free application for Android that allows you to chat with your Facebook friends and contacts. You can do so even if they don't have the app installed. If you are new to Facebook Messenger and you'd like to know about how you can start using it, the first thing you'll need to do is to get the application installed on your Android device. So let's get to the video, following the easiest step one by one. Downloading Facebook Messenger. In order to download the Facebook Messenger app, first of all, open up the Google Play Store. Go to the search box and type in Messenger. Once you make a search for it, look for this application from Meta Platforms Inc. and tap on Install. Now, you will need to wait for the download and install to complete. Logging in or signing up for Messenger. After you are done downloading the Messenger application, tap on the Open button. In the next step, you will need to log into your existing Facebook account, or you will now need to go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials. Simply go ahead and enter your phone number or your email address. Also, make sure to enter the correct password for your Facebook account in the text box. After you are done entering your Facebook account's credentials, you can click on Login. If you don't have an account for Facebook yet, you will need to tap on Create New Account and follow through the sign-up process for Facebook. In order to open up a Facebook account, you will need to provide an email address, your first name, your last name, and other information about you. Once you have a Facebook account, you can tap on it to launch it open. Once you have a Facebook account, you can easily log in by following the login step using Messenger. Now that you have access to your Messenger application, the Messenger application's main screen will look like this, where you will have 3 tabs at the bottom of the screen. The first tab will be the Chat tab located at the bottom left. In the Calls tab, you will be able to see a list of suggestions, and your recent call history will appear on this page. Similarly, if you go to the People tab at the bottom right, you will be able to see the list of active people on your Messenger or all of the active stories from your friends. Starting a new chat. From the first interface of Facebook Messenger, you will end up in the Chats tab, from where you will be able to see all of your ongoing conversations with individual friends and group. Tap on one of the conversations and you can then start messaging. In order to start a new chat, go to the message box at the bottom and type in a message. You can send the message by tapping on the blue send button at the bottom right. Apart from text messages, you can also share emojis. Stickers, photos, videos, and voice recordings. Making video calls and audio calls on Messenger. While on a chat, you can also explore the chat's conversation screen, and you will be able to find the phone call or the video call options. Go to the top right corner, and if you want to make an audio call with the person, tap on the receiver icon at the top right. Similarly, if you want to make a video call, tap on the video icon at the top right corner. Exploring the Settings tab. From the main home screen of Messenger, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. Now, this will show you several options like Chats, Marketplace, Message Requests, and Archive. Go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner, and you will end up in this page, where you can get access to Facebook Notes, switch between accounts, adjust notification preference, privacy settings, and themes for your Facebook Messenger account. Simply go ahead and customize your Messenger experience by adjusting the options. So that is how you can easily use Facebook Messenger application on your Android device as a beginner. That's a quick wrap up for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.